Hi, this is my example presentation robot. I will make a 3D presentation video like this for you. And the cost is only $5. Imagine the effect of this robo presenter when you put it on your website. It will make your website looks more exclusive. And even can boost your income. All you have to do is give me a text document. The maximum words is 500 words. Then I will transform your text into a robo presenter like this. You can choose the characters and backgrounds. There are only two characters. Man and woman. The man character is the one you're watching now. And the others you will find in my YouTube channel. I give you the link on the description. You also can choose a background. Classroom background. Or office background, just like this presentation. And for your convenience, I will only take 10 orders per day. And I will deliver the result in maximum 48 hours after your order. Thank you and have a nice day.